Biological products or biologics have emerged as the most effective way to treat serious illnesses and conditions like cancer, kidney diseases, diabetes, and many others. They are complex, large molecule drugs created from living organisms. The World Health Organization describes biological products as a diverse group of medicines which includes vaccines, growth factors, immune modulators, monoclonal antibodies, as well as products derived from human blood and plasma. They are a class of medicines which are grown and then purified from large-scale cultures of bacteria or yeast or plant or animal cells. In contrast, most conventional drugs are chemically synthesized and their structure is simple and known. Biosimilars, on the other hand, are highly similar versions of these biologics without meaningful differences in terms of safety, purity, and potency to the original drug. They aim to replicate the therapeutic effects of the biologics while being more affordable. In India, a humble letter recently sparked biologics versus biosimilar debate. Several pharma companies, patient groups, and civil society groups have asked the Health Ministry to relax the biosimilar guidelines 2016 related to testing and manufacturing of biosimilars in India to ensure that the treatment is affordable. In the letter, they said that a committee should work on a new set of norms without any outside influence. On the other hand, multinational pharmaceutical companies, doctors, and a few independent voices have said there is no sense in making biosimilars without the regulatory rigor. They have asked what is the use of an affordable medicine which cannot treat or worse causes a side effect. So what makes biosimilar products cheaper than original biologics?
They rely on innovator companies to already have completed the R&D for discovery of the biologic itself and the therapeutic use for it. The role of the biosimilar company will then be to find a comparator and accordingly use the comparator for the same purpose. So in the regulatory pathway as well, the entire compliance requirements are become a lot easier for the biosimilar company because the requirement for them also is to make sure that they are able to show the equivalence to the reference product, which is the innovator company's product. So therefore, overall, the cost for discovery plus compliance in order to put it into the market is lower.
The United States and European nations have established their regulatory pathways for biosimilars. The UK Regulator Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency waived both animal studies and comparative efficacy trials for the approval of biosimilars in the updated guidelines in 2022. In 2022, the US Food and Drugs Authority had also removed animal testing as part of the process to obtain a license for biosimilar or biological product. However, wherever animal testing rules have been relaxed, other conditions are imposed to ensure that quality is not compromised. So should India also follow the suit and relax regulations for biosimilar products?
I don't believe that the guidelines for biosimilars should be relaxed. These are biologic products which have a different manufacturing process when compared to the innovator products. And the biosimilar guidelines today are only requiring that you show that equivalence with your own biologic with that of the reference product.
But various patient groups demand that the regulations should be eased.
If you want an affordable product, this is the only way. And therefore, we come up with this, right? And here again, we are creating barriers. So, see, it is very easy to create a barrier and say no. But what is important is to look at it in a way that can we do something about it? If we have something very similar, very close to the original product, why not have a look at it in a way that this could work at a cheaper rate, right? And can we get away with the repetitive non-value adding activities from this approval process and just focus on the patient safety and efficacy of the product?
Can the government play a role in bringing down the prices of original biologic products?
We've all been talking to the Department of Pharmaceuticals and, the drug price control order. The drug price control order actually excludes monopoly drugs from coming under drug price control. How do you control the prices of monopoly drugs if you keep them out of drug price?
Streamline the taxation part, the first step towards affordability. Please get your taxes from other luxury, leisure things, not from life-saving things.
As we navigate the complex terrain of biologics, the future of affordable healthcare hinges on finding the right balance between innovation, patient safety, and government policy. However, the risk of compromising safety and efficacy cannot be overlooked.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's moving from employee to employer. Business Standard.